Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will be solving tough engineering mechanics problems. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's problem is what force F required to hold the weight W of 200 lb in equilibrium. So in today's problem there are three pulleys arranged like this, and strings are wound like this, and a weight of 200 lb is hanging down from this pulley A. So let us see in the coming slides how to solve this problem. First, let us draw a free body diagram of pulley A. So, free body diagram of pulley A is here, and weight W is acting downwards, and tension in each of these two strings, let us call T1 each, are represented like this, vertically upwards. So, let us resolve forces along Y. So, sigma Fy equal to 0, and we have T1 plus T1, that is 2T1 equal to W. So, from this we get T1 equal to W by 2. Similarly, let us draw free body diagram for this pulley B. So for pulley B, there is a tension in this string T is acting downwards, and there will be tensions in this side of the string and this side of the strings. So the free body diagram is shown here. So T1 is acting downwards. T1 we have calculated already in the previous slide. So tension in these two sides of the string, let us call T2 each. So let us again resolve forces along Y. So from this we get sigma Fy equal to 0. T2 plus T2, that is 2T2 equal to T1. This is T1. So from this we get 2T2 equal to W by 2. So in the previous slide we have found T1 equal to W by 2. So from this we get T2 equal to W by 4. Finally, let us draw free body diagram of pulley C. So for pulley C, we have force F is acting downwards, and there is a tension T2 is acting in this side of the string. So the free body diagram shown here, and this side F and this side T2. So from this we get F equal to T2. So T2 we have already found in the previous slide, that is W by 4. So we get F equal to W by 4. The after substituting value of W and simplifying, we get F equal to 50 lb. A force of 50 lb is required to hold a weight of 200 lb in equilibrium in this pulley system. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.